While you can access your voicemail commands through your phone, Mixie makes it easy to set up and manage your voicemail through your laptop or your desktop. To set up your voicemail using Mixie, open your voicemail folder by clicking on the voicemail icon at the top of the Mixie toolbar. In addition to seeing a list of current voicemails and folder options, in the lower left corner you'll see a Tools icon. Click on that to access the voicemail greeting setup menu. Here you see the voicemail greeting menu. At the top is the recorded name options menu. In the center is the greeting options menu. On the bottom is the AA or auto attendant greeting options menu. To record or to listen to your name, simply press the play button. That'll let you listen to the name that's recorded in the system used when people access your name in the directory or your name as an attendant in queue in operator or agent mode. To record a new name, simply press the red record name button. When you're done, press it again and it'll stop and save it in the system. Now you can also import a WAV file from anywhere on your system and use that as your recorded name. In the greeting options menu, you can see the greetings you've recorded in the system and designate which one you wish to have active at any time. To listen to a greeting, highlight it and press the play button. To record a new greeting, simply press the red change greeting button. After you're done, press it again. Now you can rename this by hitting the rename greeting button. You can also decide to activate or deactivate a greeting by highlighting it and clicking on the Activate or Deactivate Mark as Active greeting button. And again, you can import a file from your system and load that up to be your greeting. Down here is the auto attendant greeting, which allows you to record an additional greeting in the system when people access you in the voice tree. Don't forget to hit Apply and OK to save those changes in the system. Now that you've set up your voicemail greeting, let's check your voicemail messages. You have two ways to check on these. Your Mixie display will tell you have voicemail messages at the bottom. You can click on that to access them, or again click on the voicemail icon at the top. Let's click on the bottom message level. Here you see the list of active messages in my inbox. Zultys uses visual voicemail, which lets you see a list of your voicemail messages in chronological order. You can sort your messages by the sender, when they were received, and how long the messages are. You can also annotate a voicemail by adding a text comment to an entry. On the left-hand side are your voicemail folders. As you can see, Mixie's call recording, visual voicemail, and fax systems are all managed through the same tool. To listen to a voicemail, just double-click on it or highlight it and select the play button. For example, double-clicking on this option lets me hear this message. You can see the controls at the bottom allow me to listen to that message. And I'll stop that. Now I could also right-click on a message and hit play. Now another option is play via bound. It allows me to play a voicemail message through the desktop phone or mobile phone that's bound to my Mixie device. Again, as you can see, right-clicking on this gives you a lot of options. I can play that on my PC or desktop, play it via bound. I can save it many ways: reply, forward, copy, move, delete, save to a specific file, or call that person back. Say, for example, I wish to store this voicemail. I can simply drag and drop it onto my desktop, and now this has been stored on my desktop as a WAV file. I can then email that to somebody else. Well, if I wish to forward this to somebody, I can actually drag and drop this to somebody in my buddies list. And here I have the ability to record a brief introductory message. After recording the message, simply stop recording and hit send. As you can see, that's been sent through the system to that person. Now I could also right-click to send it as well. I could forward it this way as well. Hit the 2, I can pull up my company directory and pull up a list of people that I wish to send this to. Again, record that introductory message. Once you're done, stop recording. You could listen to it, by the way, to make sure you're comfortable with it, and then hit send, and it'll be sent through the system to that person. Now if you wish to save a message or delete it, you can simply drag and drop, or again use the right-click method. So say I wish to save this message from Olivia. It's an important message. I can drag and drop it into my saved folder. And in here you can see a list of all the messages I've saved on the system. Or if I wish to save it, I can actually just right-click on it and hit save, and it'll go automatically to that folder there. If I wish to save it to a specific folder, I can hit save to file, and it will save it in a specific file on my system. You can see that Mixia gives you many options to manage your voicemail and makes it easy to make sure you can connect to the right people at the right time and sort through and answer important messages.